Have you ever wondered why some assets are easy to spend while others are locked away? Let us break down the concept of liquidity. Liquidity is essentially a measure of how quickly and easily you can turn an asset into cash without losing value. Cash is the ultimate liquid asset. It is already in the form you need to pay for goods or services right now. To determine if an asset is liquid, consider how fast it sells and whether you have to accept a lower price to move it quickly. Money in a bank is highly liquid, but selling a house can take months, making real estate a low liquidity asset. This chart shows the relative time it takes to convert various assets into cash. Notice how the difficulty increases as we move right. Remember, keeping a portion of your wealth in liquid assets helps you handle emergencies without needing to sell long-term investments at a loss. Understanding liquidity is a key step in managing your personal finances. Check back soon for more simple explanations of financial concepts.